everyone, it's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this super natural two-step makeup look for you guys. So in this tutorial I only used 2 products on the eye, and it was super, well technically it was 3 products, but it was super easy to achieve. And if you guys want to see how I achieve the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing that I did was I applied my concealer as usual all over my eyelid as my eyeshadow primer, and then I blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, and I always set it in place with translucent powder. And the eyeshadow palette that I went in with today is the Crushed Pressed Powder palette from ColourPop, and they have a bunch of palettes like this one, and I absolutely love most of them. I believe I've tried most of them, and I just love how compact and easy to travel with they are. The first shade that I went in with is this really light beige eyeshadow, and I picked that up with a fluffy blending brush, and I just put that shade in my crease going from inner corner to outer corner. And this is the only thing that I put in my crease. I wanted to keep it super natural and wearable, so that's pretty much all I did for the crease. Next I went in with this Maven Beauty cream shadow, and this is like a really pale beige shade, and I absolutely love their cream eyeshadows. I feel like they're super underrated, and I use them almost every single time I want to clean up my lid space, how I'm doing here. And as you guys know, I didn't really apply any dark shadows to my crease, so this just really makes the lid completely pop. And then I went in with the ColourPop Star Party Glitterly Obsessed Body Glitter, and you guys know I love to use these glitters on my eye, even though they're meant for the body, just because they are pressed and you don't have to use any glitter glue. It just automatically adheres to the eye. And this was like a really beautiful silver glitter shade, and I just packed it all over my entire lid. And then moving on to the lashes, I always put on some mascara first. I don't like to curl my natural lashes before I apply my falsies, because I feel like it makes it a little bit harder to apply. So I just put on mascara and then I apply my falsies. The ones that I used today are discontinued. And then the very last thing that I did was I applied the same shadow that I applied to my crease to my lower lash line, and I mainly focused that shade on the outer corner. And then I applied some mascara to the lower lashes, and that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!